So I'm staying at Leela Palace Ambience Hotel, and this is the bathroom. Okay, hold on. This is the bathroom. Perfect, good, nicely done. Hi, and nice one. You can close the door, use it as you want, and then you come here. You see a good length mirror, amazing. These are the blinds. What kind of privacy is this? You can see the shower, the whole room. What is this, guys? So suppose, like, can somebody explain? I have got list of questions. I need answers. What kind of privacy is this? Aren't they supposed to be inside the bathroom, like, just for protection? Somebody can eat. This is the bed. These are the blinds. And you can see the distance. Bed, blinds, bathroom. Amazing. Amazing, perfectly done. I just wanted to know who was the brain behind it.